Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace this tower nut that's responsible for securing the heating element in this GE dishwasher. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The tower heater nut secures the heating element to the dishwasher's tub while maintaining a watertight seal where the heater passes through the tub. This allows the heating element to stay firmly in place while heating the water and assisting with drying. Over time, the nut can loosen, crack, or become damaged with heat, vibration, or repeated service. When this happens, the heating element may shift or leak at the tub connection. If the heater nut fails, you may notice water leaking from the bottom of the dishwasher or reduced heating performance. Replacing a damaged heater nut restores a secure seal to keep the heating element properly mounted. If you need to purchase a replacement tower heater nut for your GE dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Tools needed for this repair: a 13/16 6-point socket or adjustable wrench. This video features disconnecting electrical components, so please disconnect your appliance from its power source before beginning. This repair requires your dishwasher to be pulled out to access the bottom of the appliance. Before attempting, make sure you understand how your dishwasher is connected to power, the drain, and the water line. Every installation can be different, so check out our dishwasher removal video if you need help or clarification with your removal. Not fully understanding this process can lead to you potentially damaging your appliance or kitchen. With the dishwasher pulled out, carefully open the dishwasher's door and remove the bottom rack and set it aside. Close the dishwasher's door and carefully lay the unit on the back of the appliance. Locate the white tower heater nut holding the heating element in place. Disconnect the electrical connection by firmly pulling it away from the appliance. Using the 13/16 6-point socket or adjustable wrench, remove the white tower nut from the heating element. Due to the softer material of the tower heater nut, be sure to use only a 6-point socket instead of a 12-point socket. The 12-point socket won't fit as snug and can damage or round the nut when removing. You can also use an adjustable wrench. Just be sure that the wrench is tight on the nut before turning to avoid rounding the nut. If you need a replacement tower heater nut, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones that we sell at partsdoctor.com. We'll include a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact part. To install the new tower heater nut, start the nut by hand to prevent cross-threading. Use the 6-point socket or a snug-fitting wrench to fully tighten the tower nut. Do not over-tighten as you can damage the heating element or nut. With the heater nut fully secured, reattach the heating element connection. Be sure both connections are secure to the heating element and then carefully tip the dishwasher back on its legs. Replace the lower dish rack and reinstall the dishwasher. Your appliance is now ready to use. Well, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.